Discover the cordless sensor alarm system from AliMed. This convenient system helps reduce the risk of falls by providing patient monitoring without the limitations and hazards associated with corded sensor pad systems. The sensor pads and alarm unit are cordless, which enables greater flexibility in monitor location and alleviates the risk of entanglement or tripping. And because the alarm can be mounted up to 30 feet away from the bedside, caregivers can be alerted without startling the patient. For added convenience and patient protection, 2 sensor pads can be simultaneously monitored with just one unit. You can also monitor a floor mat along with either a bed or chair pad. However, the system is not intended to monitor 2 chair sensor pads, as the sensor's alarm may travel out of monitoring range. AliMed's cordless alarm is easy to install and use. To begin, simply unscrew the back of the alarm and insert 3 AA batteries. The alarm will automatically turn on. While the battery panel is still open, select preferred volume and alarm sound settings. Choose from 3 alert sounds: 1, Somewhere Over the Rainbow; 2, You Are My Sunshine; or 3, Standard Alarm. The first time the alarm is used, the transmitter on the sensor device needs to be turned on. Located inside each sensor pad, simply slide the switch to the on position. A red light will blink, indicating the power is on. Then place the transmitter back inside the pad and snap closed. To activate the pad, press and hold each pad for 30 seconds, then release. The transmitter is intended to stay on for the life of the pad. Now the alarm is ready to use. Press and hold the program button on the back of the alarm until you hear 3 short beeps. To use with 2 sensor devices, apply pressure on the first pad to program as pad 1. The monitor will beep twice. Continue to program the second pad by applying pressure. Press the reset button to complete programming. When in use and pressure is removed from the sensor pad, the monitor will emit an alert. When pressure is reapplied to the sensor, the alarm will stop. Before using with a patient, check the reset settings. If the reset button has been set to the on position, anyone can simply press the reset button on the front of the monitor to turn off the alarm. If the reset switch is set to off, the reset option will be disabled and the alarm will continue to sound and can only be silenced with a unique tamper-proof key included with the system, which prevents anyone except a caregiver with a key from turning off the alarm. Like all AliMed alarm systems, the cordless sensor alarm delivers reliable alerts to help reduce incidents of falls and injuries. This is not intended to serve as a replacement for the instructions for use included with the product. To request more information, call 1-800-225-2610 or visit us online. For our complete line of LTC and acute products, shop online or order a free catalog.